is the parcel, and we're going to unbox it, guys. Whoa, so cool, guys. This is it. Let's unbox that. Oh, guys, so cool. Wow, this is so cool, guys. Wow, guys, this is so cool. Oh wait, it's stuck. Wow, guys. Now, this is the unboxing video, guys, and I'm gonna test battle this too. I'm gonna test battle with with I don't know what to say, and it's next year, and in the next video, guys, and bye.